Some people see our teardrop and ask, "Where's the bathroom?" It's funny, no one asks us that during more than 40 years of tent camping. The most common method when there's no facilities nearby is a cat hole. It's so common to dig and use a 6-inch hole that it's rarely mentioned. Anyway, the cat hole should be kept well away from camp, trails, or water sources. It's common practice to place something unique over the spot like an X made out of sticks or stones. There are folding trowels for this duty. We keep a versatile camp shovel handy. We carry a third option for awkward situations or locations that require self-containment. This practical option fits behind our spare tire cover like a glove. The kit includes the foldable toilet, biodegradable bags, some TP, and eco-gel packets. The eco-gel treats the waste like the contents of a diaper, making it convenient for similar disposal. We have an awning-style bathroom for privacy and showering. It sets up in seconds and adjusts to reach the ground.